Hey, welcome to Odd Jobs. We're going to install some Kichler lighting in the she barn. Stick around. Nice. Okay, I have a feeling Edison bulbs are going to go in that. A couple of wires. Bulbs included. You know, my very first experience with Kichler lighting was in the landscape lighting industry. And they made really high-end, good quality stuff. And so to find them in the residential sector is really nice, because now we can bring that same kind of quality and style inside. Yeah, Edison bulbs, very nice. It's gonna look sharp. And it's got a glass. Of course, going to go on the end. Yep, everything looks like it's pretty good. Find a safe place to put that down. And here we got the rest of the meat. Got a top cover. Okay, we got this crazy thing. I have a love-hate relationship with these, but it is what it is. So we got the support bracket, we're going to set it up there. I'll put one screw in. Before I get too far ahead of myself here, I'm going to secure this ground wire to the box. Okay, once that's on there, all of this fancy dancy stuff here, we're going to, I think we're going to slide all this in here. We have a bunch of washers. Where'd they go? There's one there. Okay. That looks like it goes like that. Yeah. I think so. So I took one off one side there. I'm going to feed all these wires through the threaded tube here. Then I'm going to thread it on the shafts here. It's got a locking nut. Let's lock that up. And I had some pliers. That's locked up. We're going to put it through the nice big one here. This is the decorative sleeve. Going to go over top of that, and then the sleeve. Now watch this sleeve. See, it's got a what the heck do you call that? It's a cusp, a cuff, maybe. Well, let's call it something like that. It's going to fit over the sleeve and leave that exposed. And then we can take our lid, this cover. Put it on, lock washer, and the nut. I'm going to tighten that up. We're going to tighten it up reasonably firm. Just like that. This wire here, this is a security wire. It's also a ground wire. So I'm going to show you how to do that connection up here in the box. So, and these ones here, I can shorten these up a lot. For now, I'm going to push them out of the way. We've got this green screw, that green screw right there. And we're going to take this copper wire, we're going to put it through the hole that's alongside that green screw. You see it there? And then we can wrap it around the screw. Is that a Phillips? I can't see from here. That's a Robbie. Long screwdriver. It's Phillips. So this is not just a ground wire, it's also a strain relief. So if ever the light falls, this stranded copper wire is going to keep it from hitting the ground, landing on somebody else's head. All right, okay, that's good. Now we can connect these wires. White and white. When I'm routing these, I always put the stranded wire in there first, and then push it on and tighten it up until the two wires start to wind up together. Okay, that's good. They're on there. We've got these little black nuts, and we're going to push this up, tuck in the wires as we go, and we're going to line up these screws with the holes that are there. There's one, I see one's in there, and there's the other one. At this point, everything looks pretty good. I think we're going to put the bulbs in. I think that's our next stage. Okay, we're going to make sure to see if this goes on. Okay, that's not bad. That's pretty nice. So we're left with a couple more pieces. Wow, it's got speckled glass in it, and we're going to put this piece. It's going to be tricky. I'm going to separate this here. There. Okay, a home. Washer. And threaded fitting. Now, this whole thing is going to spin. And it's going to go inside. I'm going to loosen it a bit more. It's just not quite centered. I don't get that, but something's not right, eh? Should go that way. I'm loosening it off so I have some flexibility to get that into place. I think that wow, okay. If it doesn't work that way, then put in this first. And then is that threading in? It is. And thread it in snug. Snug, not tight. And that's it. That's it. Okay, we're gonna turn it on again. That's very nice. Well, that'll do for Odd Jobs. You like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out and support Liberty Way Farm. They've been giving us a lot of work out here, and we sure do appreciate their help, so give them some support. Thanks for watching Odd Jobs, and we'll see you again.